an orange bucket. It's been a long journey, y'all, but we finally got one dome, one tower is about to be done this week. That's our acid. It's our beta lift. That's our guy down there running. You see the yellow hat? All right, this is pretty much it, y'all. This is everything up here. I'm just double checking my tools, double checking what we got. I had to make a quick little short. I'll be uploading that to my other platforms as well. So later on when y'all see my short, if y'all have subscribed, y'all be like, oh snap, we saw him made that live. We was live while he was recording his short. But look, I'm gonna give y'all a tour of everything else too when we go down. Check it out, check it out. I think we'll be working on all last week. That's it, Beto?
Yeah, we're good.
I got a video where we was installing these up too. Y'all check it out. I forgot what I called it, but man, it's a full video installing huge limestone louver, I believe is what I called it. Louver, Louver. This is the tower we gotta take this one down. Y'all can see the difference. This one's like the stone's been untouched, and this stone looks really different. It's the same stone. It's just this one hasn't been touched. We're gonna acid wash this one. We're gonna not necessarily use muriatic acid. It's gonna be a different type of detergent. It's called 600 Sure Clean. It's a detergent. Yeah, we gotta go down another level. Let me show y'all. What else you missing, Beto? Huh?
That's it. Hello? I'm trying to find out. Where do you see that on here?
Yo, this is the top of the dome. They're gonna end up ripping that off one day soon, too. What would y'all do with all that copper? How much copper you think that is? They're gonna rip all that off. Anybody scared of heights?